Hello, I'm Jeff. Today I'm going to explain or share about my hour research. First of all, my hour research title is Exploring the Role of Critical Thinking in Education of HE Grade 12. An objective, this research aims to investigate how critical thinking is currently taught in grade 12 education and to explore its significance by analyzing existing methods and outcomes. The objective is to propose effective strategies for integrating critical thinking skills into the curriculum. The study seeks to understand the impact of search integrations on students' problem-solving abilities, discussions, making skills, and overall academic performance. Statement of the problem. This research seeks to address several key questions regarding the role of critical thinking in a grade 12 education. Firstly, it aims to determine the current state of critical thinking instructions of this educational level, including the methods employed and their effectiveness. Secondly, it will explore potential challenges and barriers to integrating critical thinking into the existing curriculum. Additionally, the study will investigate the perceptions and attitudes of both educators and students towards critical thinking education in grade 12. This study aims to determine the impact of exist of school works on the mental well-being of grade 12 students. Specifically, this study seeks to answer the following questions. Number one, what are the profile the respondent in terms of age, sex, and then number of subjects per semester. Number two, how many common schoolworks are given to students? A 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5, and so on. And then 3, what are the best strategies of question that grade 12 students can take off to lessen the physical effects of excessive schoolworks? So now let's proceed to the result of our research exploring the role of critical thinking and education of the grade 12 in a chapter 4. This chapter, the study typically focus on presenting and analyzing the results obtained from data collecting methods such as surveys, interviews, experiments, or observations. In our study exploring critical thinking in education, Grade 12 HE Educations investigates the essential role of critical thinking in the academic journey of grade 12 HE students. We explore critical thinking's definitions, components, and important in both academic and real-world settings, along with its impact on learning outcomes. Our research delves into how critical thinking skills involved throughout curriculum, teaching methods, and assessments. We also examine how critical thinking connect to academic achievements, decisions making, problem solving, and lifelong learning. So first, the table 1 shows that the question number 1 got the first place on the ranking with 5.41% weighted mean, while the question number 8 got the lowest place on the ranking with a 4.41% weighted mean. The table 2 shows that questions number 3 get the first place on the ranking with 5.32% weighted mean. Well, the question number 4 got the lowest place on the ranking with 4.64% weighted men. The table number 3 shows that the questions number 1 and got the first place in the ranking with 5.19% weighted men, while the question number of got the lowest place in the ranking with 4.38% weighted men. Our investigation to the role of critical thinking in a grade 12 education is outlined into a statement of the problem. Delivered several significant findings throughout surveys, interviews, and data analysis. We gain insight in the current state of critical thinking instructions, students' perceptions, academic performance, and the physical effects of exercise, schoolworks. The data indicate the need for enhanced integrations of critical thinking into the curriculum to better prepare the grade 12 students for future challenges. Furthermore, Furthermore, varying levels of confidence in applying critical thinking skills were observed among students, which corrected with their academic success. Their result, their, these results underscored the importance of bolstering critical thinking education in grade 12 to foster cognitive development and overall academic achievement. They provide valuable guidance for educators and policymakers in improving grade 12 education to equip students with necessary skills for success in higher education and beyond. That's for all. Thank you.